All right. It says little and big. Anna has 2 dogs, little and big. And she had a picture of them sitting side by side, but the dogs ate most of the picture. Most of big is now missing. She used dog treats to measure Little's height in the picture, starting at the floor by his paw and going up to the top of his head. Little's height was 2 dog treats. Anna measured the picture of Big in the same way before the picture was torn, using the same dog treats. Big's height was 6 dog treats. Turning and talking. The drawing shows and labels 2 dog treats as Little's height, lined up next to 3 paper clips labeled as Little's height and paper clips. So a label points to the dog treats and says, hey, this times 3 equals Big's height. So 3 times 6 equals 2 equals 6. And a 4th label points to the line of the paper clips and says, this times 3 equals Big's height. So 3 times 3 equals 9. How could this student improve the argument? Why don't you go ahead, come back to the table with me, and let me discuss this with you. I want to talk about the dog treats, and I want to talk about the paper clips to make sure that you thoroughly understand what I'm looking for. So again, little and big. On lesson 2-6, if you look down, this is the page 65 that you have. I want you to be able to explain to me how you figured out what to predict, and I want to use diagrams, words, or calculations explaining that. So even though you and I have already discussed this, I want you to be able to explain it in words. Pause the tape now, and by drawing or talking, I want you to answer number 3. Pause the tape now and do that, please, and then bring it back to me so that I can see it. Okay, did you need to revise your prediction or your conjecture? And how did you improve on your argument? What other details did you give me to make that argument clearer, to prove it more precisely or accurately? All right, find the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Hopefully you're remembering the formula for area. You need to take the base times the height. So 4 times 7, and that gives you your square inches. Go ahead and go to Math Journal, page 48. You're going to notice that number 1 was the problem that we just looked at. Please do page 48 and then go back and check it at the Math Journal. Any of them that you got wrong, please bring back to me, and I will gladly help you with it. Using multiplication. Home Market sells 3 grapefruits for $2. Darius spent $6 on grapefruits. How many did he buy? So remember, we can either use words, numbers, or diagrams to show your reasoning. So you could either draw 3 grapefruit, and you could just draw 3 little circles, equals $2. So you know we got to get up to 6. So if we draw 3 more, that's going to equal $4. But what did it ask? It asked for $6. So we'd have to draw 3 more to equal $6. So how many grapefruit could he buy for $6? He could buy 9. Go ahead and get your loose leaf paper, page 68. Finish that page and then bring it back to me so I can correct it quickly before you move on to 2-7. There's the answers. And again, it just drew what I tried to draw. And this is the end. Thank you.